KnowBand OpenCart mobile app builder. Key features at a glance. Convert your OpenCart store into a mobile app instantly. 100% no-code setup and easy customization. Real-time sync for products and orders. Fast checkout and smooth shopping experience. Push notifications to boost sales. Publish on Android and iOS under your brand. This is Module Understanding Video. OpenCart mobile app builder module. So we have installed the module on the store since the module installation is done through the FTP server in the OpenCart. So we have installed the module, and here on the status, we have found the module in a disabled state by default. So we have to enable the module first. As soon as you will enable the module will start working for your store. Here, you have to download the OpenCart Nautica app, and there, you have to enable the module and click on Save. After that, you have to install the OpenCart Nautica application in your mobile device, and you will find that when you open the application, you have an option of your store. You will click on it. You will choose a version of your store. Is it less than 4.0 or 3.0? So you have to submit, and then you have to enter your store URL here. Then you will enable the module and enter the store URL here. Click on the Submit button. Your store will be valid in case the store URL is valid, then only you will be able to redirect to your application. So remember that you have to enter the correct store URL by choosing the correct version of your store. In case the URL of your store is correct on the application, then you will be entered your application. This is how it looks here. We have given a default layout, so which is why you will find a default layout look like this. Also, you can create your own layout. We'll be checking the same from further. Next, we are having an option of Enable Save Spin and Win. Enable the backend stock. These are the two modules of a KnowBand. If you have installed these two modules of OpenCart in your store, then the same will work on your application as well, since the both are integrated without any issue. They will work fine in case this is installed, and you will have an option to enable the same from here. Next, we are having an option of Request Log Reporting. Request Log Reporting will be by default disabled here. You have to enable the module, enable this in your module, and you will find an option in the left side menu of the application to share the logs. Next, we are having the Select Layout of Homepage. Here, if you have created a multiple layout, then you can choose the layout, and the same will be displayed in your application. You can create the layout based on the season sale or any new launch. Next, we are having a font style. You can change the font style, whatever the style you wanted to display in your application. Next, we are having an option of Enable the Chat Support. The Enable Chat Support will give you an option of a chat pod or a query. Related options here, you will be having a WhatsApp icon, which will be redirected to the WhatsApp to resolve the queries of your customer. Then you will enable the Support Chat Support option. You will have an option to enter the number where the user will be redirected to for their query. Next, we are having Show Add to Cart button on the product grid. This will enable a Add to Cart button in your product grid. Next, we are having a toast message background color. Here, whatever the message appears in the toast format, you can change the color of a toast background color, toast message text color, app button color, app theme color, app text color, app background color. You can upload the logo that you wanted to display in your app. You will enable it. You will have a functionality to edit or upload the logo or delete the existing image in case you wanted to change. So to upload an image, you have to click on the edit icon. It will redirect here on the folders. If you have already imported any images, then you can check the same from here, or else you can upload the new one. Then you have an option of fingerprint login. This function is given to the user. In case this is he wants to register in his fingerprint login. And when he wants to log in on the application again, he can use the fingerprints next option. We are having a social login options here. We have integrated with the social login options with the Google and Facebook. These options is allowed to log in. Register a new account as a customer. Next, we are having an Disable the phone number registration. This functionality allows you to enable the phone number filled in the redirection registration page, where user have to enter the number, and the same will be verified through OTP. But in case this requires a paid API, so you can make it enable only if you are having a paid API of for the same. And below is the option to mandate this field, in case you want every customer to enter the mobile number and the number should be verified. Then you have to enable it, else you can keep it disabled and make the phone number field option for everyone. Next, redirect on the cart post. When add to cart, this functionality works. When user will add to cart, redirect on the cart page. When add to cart, this functionality works when user add to cart the product, and he should be redirected to the cart page directly. Then we are having a disabled shipping method here. You can enter the shipping method that you do not want it to display in your application, as every shipping method that works on your web will also work on your application as well. Below that we are having category width, category height, product width, product height, so you can adjust the measurements, which should be between 1 to 999. Next, we are having a functionality to select the date on which the new product will be considered. You can enter the amount of products which should be considered as new. Next, we are having the enable notification list feature. This feature, you have to enable it in case you want to list your notifications in a list in your app. It will show the notification in the list format or with the icon. Next, we are having the enable sign a pop-up in case you want this functionality. So you have to enable it from here. And then you can choose this functionality in your pop-up to be displayed. Next, we are having the app icon theme color here. You can change the app icon theme color. Once you have made every changes, you have to click on save so that the configuration should get saved and it should be enabled in your apps as well. So on the app, you have to refresh the page so that you can find every changes. As you can see, this is a chat support. Then it will redirect you to the WhatsApp of the entered. Then you are having a category, page, search page, card page, and the profile. Here, the profile, when you will click on it, sign up, you will find the 2 social login buttons. Here, the phone number field is not present as we have made it disabled. Next, you have to create an account through the registration. Then after making the registration, you have to click on sign up and you will click on it. It will redirect, give you a home page once the registration is completed. Also, you can register to the social login as well. You can click on the Facebook and the Google, so you have to click on the given icon. When you will have the registration, then it will ask you to register your fingerprint in case you want to register. Then you can click on register. It will ask to authenticate, and when it will be listed here, in case you have not authenticated with a fingerprint, then you will have an option to authenticate it from the My Account section. Next time we are having of the Pay homepage. Layout here. You can create the multiple layouts as much as you want you to create the new layout. You have to click on Add New Layout button when you will click on it. You have to enter the name of your layout and click on Submit. A new layout has been created here. Then under the layout, you have to create components. So here we have given the components of top category, banner, square banner, horizontal banner, grid banner, with a counter timer product, square product, horizontal sliding product, grid product, recently accessed, product custom, signed up, pop-up, and the advertisement banner. So you can create any of them you want. You just have to click on Add Icon. It will be added in your app. Then you have to edit and upload the image or whatever the design type you wanted to select. You can create it from here. So we have an option to upload the image or to upload the URL. So when you have created the banner, then it will be listed here in the type of listing. Next, we are having the product grid. You can choose the products that you wanted to display in the product grid, select the product type and new product bestseller, product featured product from a category product. If you have selected from a category, then you have to choose a category under which products are being mapped. Then you will have a function field to choose the product that you wanted to display. As you can see here, the product that are being mapped with the chosen category is being listed here. You can choose the number of products that you want to display. So we have displayed the 3 products will be displayed from the chosen. Click on save so that it will be saved. Then we are having the product horizontal sliding here. You have to again configure this product horizontal sliding again, choose the product that you wanted to display. And the number of product you want it to be displayed in there is a new product in horizontal. Then you have to select the product square. Again, you have to choose the type of product that you wanted to display from your product square. You can choose all. Next, click on Save. So like this, you can customize your band layout. You have to go on the general setting and choose the layout that you have been configured and click on Save so that this layout will be displayed in your application. You have to just go on the home page and refresh. You will find the configured layout here. Next tab, we are having a push notification setting. The settings will allow you to share the notification to your customer regarding the abundant cart order status update and order success notification. This will only work if you have the pages and file. You have to upload the file here, and then you can enable the functionalities so that they can work in your application. Next, we are having a push notification history there. You can manually send the notifications to your customer, and this will be listed in the listing as well. You have to choose to which you want to share your notification to the Android user, to the iPhone users, or to the both. Also, you can upload an image that you wanted to display along with your notification. The same will be listed here. So as you can see, when you will create the notification, then it will be listed in the notification history here. You have to upload the image, and you will upload the image again. You have to choose that device where you wanted to share your notification, click on Submit. It will show you a success message, and then you can see this notification list history in the listing, and also you have sent it to the Android user. So also you can see it in your notification tab. You have to go on the notification tab, and you will find the notification listing. And this is redirecting to the homepage as you have set the redirect activity to the homepage. So when you click on it, it will redirect to the homepage only. The next step we are having of the payment method here. You can choose a payment method of the COD that is being pre-invited. Also, you can change the name of the COD that as per your language of your store. Then we are having the information page here. You can check with the information page that you wanted to display in your application, as in CMS pages. You can choose a priority at what will be displayed to the one, what will be displayed to the last one. And you can click on Save once you have clicked on Save if the settings will be saved, and you can find your CMS pages on the left side menu, as you can see about our contact, US, privacy policy, privacy. Then the next we are having of the translation page here. If you are having the multiple languages in your store, so you can change the tab's name according to the language, as you can choose the language from here, and then you can make the changes. So as I selected the French, I have made the changes in the Home tab and click on Save once this is saved. You have to go on in your application. You have to refresh the page. So when you will refresh the page, then you have to go and choose the language of your application as French. So when you will choose, then you will find, when you refresh the page, you will find the changes there. Then we are having a category banner tab. Here you can go on the category. This select the type of URL image upload, or the YouTube URL, or the video which you wanted to upload for your category tab. You can upload it here, and the same will be displayed in the category page, as you have to choose a file. You can choose a file, and you can click on Upload. When you will click on Upload, you will find this video in your electronics, a category tab. Go in the application, refresh the page, go to the electronics, go to the electronic category, and you will find your video will be working here that you have been uploaded. Next, we are having camera. Same as you can do with other categories as well. You have the video which you will upload will be visible in the category tab. Then we are having the advertisement setting here in the advertisement setting. You can enable the advertisement setting, and you can also choose where you wanted to display. Before that, you have to upload the advertisement unit ID. That should be correct, and only your advertisement will be working in your app. So I have selected with the product below the description for the checkout on the checkout page you will find on the top of the screen. Similarly, you can enable it for every page which is being mentioned. Click on Save. So the settings are seen saved. Then you have to go on the application, refresh the page. Go on any of the page. The product page. You will find the advertisement working. Advertisement working like this in your application. Next, we are having the navigation setting here. You can change the navigation that is being present at the photo of apps on the home page. This is the navigations. Then here, you can choose. Here, you can choose a home should redirect to the category, or category should redirect to the search or whatever you want. You can also change the icon. You can also upload an image in place of icon for every tab. So this is a configuration of mobile application. Now moving to the mobile app here, you can place the order, you can find the notification, you can wish list the product in case you are logging. Then your wish list should be visible. So go on any of the product, the wish list by clicking on the icon. As you can see, when you will make it, will change the color. You can see the count is increasing in the wish list. You can go to the wish list. You can add to cart the product from here. You will have a toast message like this. You can increase the quantity of your product. Click on Update. It will update the quantity. As you can see here, you can enter any voucher code if you are having for discount. You can click on a chain, continue to checkout, redirected to the shipping address, where we have given an option to choose use the current location. You have to click here, and the details would be preferred, some of the details that you need to prefer from your end that cannot be captured to relegation that you have to fill, and then you have to click on Save. And you will click. It will save the address and give you a toast message. Like this here, the note. Advertisement is also working on the cart page here. You can enter the order comment that you wanted to give in your order details. You can choose a payment method that is being enabled and click on Make Payment so that the order can be proceeded. It will load the page and give you a message like order has been placed. You can click on OK. This is order summary of your placed order. You can go back and see your order in the profile details. Go to the My Order tab here. You will find the order details. Click on the same here. You will have an order detail of what you have ordered. When you have ordered the date, price, and the detail of product with the billing details, everything will be shown in the order details on the My Account section. Next, on the left side menu, you have an option of your profile to go on the category. To choose on any of the CMS page, you can handle your notification setting from the left menu as well. In case you want all the notification, in case you want any promotion, only promotions notification in case you want. Only the order update notification, so you can choose any of them from your end. So this is how the OpenCart mobile app builder works in the OpenCart store. Thank you.